Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Gonna reinforce an IBM center hub here. This one is original equipment, brand new, and it's never been used, and it's still cracked. We're going to put a ring around it like that and melt it into the plastic and give it a metal reinforcement. It should never crack. It should never crack to the outside once we do this. But the deal is, I'm going to do it while it's in the machine. So there's the hub, and there's the belt. It's actually on. Let's turn this thing off, and we're going to put this ring in there. I did take the operational shaft out, but that's it. Didn't take the hub off or any of the other pieces here that have to come off to get that out. And we're going to melt this in there while it's in the machine. I've done this many times now, and it works out pretty good, as long as you have a hub that's not compromised all the way. So first thing we got to do is get this thing up on its side and stabilized. So let's do that by propping this thing up. I gotta wait. Oh, I gotta take the roller out of this. Roller out and paper band. Move the carrier just a bit. Now we're going to go like this. I got this set up over here so I can flip this on its side like this. And so we can have access to this hub right here. Okay. So all I'm going to do is take this ring and heat it up like I do when it's out of the machine. And heat it up, and I'm going to stick it in there and put it right in place and push down on it, and that's going to reinforce that hub. So first thing I got to do here is to get that piece hot. Do that with a torch, and then I'm going to also get some water or simple green to cool it off with as soon as that's done. So we'll see if we can get this thing reinforced here. Flame this guy up right here. And then we're going to heat this thing up. With this torch. I'm going to try to get it pretty hot. And that should save this hub for the future. Should last. It might be a permanent fix as far as I can tell. I haven't ever had one of these break once I put a reinforcement in there. But you know, 10 or 20 years down the road, who knows? You gotta make sure you get this ring pretty hot, pretty even. I think she's just about ready. Okay, let's stick it in here. Like that. And I'm going to take a couple clips and push it down, melt it right in there, and wiggle it around, and the extra plastic will just kind of wrap itself around there, fill in the gap, and cool it off. Just like that. Give it a little air, and that's it. I think that's going to be the permanent fix for this guy. So that's a different way of handling a hub, as long as it's not cracked yet, or cracked all the way to the edge. That can be done that way. All right, Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.